3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the Ritz-Carlton Lake Oconee, located in Greensboro, Georgia. Come along as we show you all of our adventures. Winter! Squirrel! Oh. All right, here is the official room tour. Okay, we got luggage storage space. Espresso? Water? Some yummy tea. Ooh, I like the mighty leaf. Winter. Should we show everybody our room? Okay, we got 2 doubles. Hi, Nathan. All right, we got a desk. And then a little area to sit and read. And then here's the best part. Oh yeah, let's go outside. Here's the best part. Look at this view. It's so peaceful. There are many activities here at the Ritz-Carlton Lake Oconee. Here are some of our favorites.
Bike riding!
Taking a walk. Relaxing in a hammock. Eating s'mores. Degrees.
Indoor hot tub. A gym.
Indoor swimming pool.
Boating and water sports.
Foosball. Basketball.